Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our first Allure Beauty Box of 2025. For those of you who are not familiar with it, this box is $25 per month and they tried to get us some items that are new, some items that are new to us, and yes, they are affiliated with the Allure magazine. Okay, I will leave all the information down below, as well as a $10 off coupon code for your first box if you'd like to try it out. So consider that when we go through this one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get right in. When we open up the box, it has a statement across the top that says, "We know beauty best." And those of you who know about Allure, they've been in the beauty business for a very long time. The very first thing we have is our mini magazine, and it says Allure Beauty Box is celebrating 10 beautiful years. We have curated the best in beauty for a decade, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for our most exciting year yet, filled with exclusive surprises, anniversary specials, and the expert curation you've loved and trusted for 10 amazing years. Okay. So then they also have a information card for Galentine's and Valentine's Day. So this card with information is included. Check that one out. This is for the best Valentine's Day gift for him, the GQ box. So if that's something you're interested in or you might want to see, let me know, and hopefully we'll have enough time to go ahead and order it. My husband will not be disappointed. It's something else for him, so he'd be a happy camper. So just let me know down below if this is something that you'd like to see so that I can go ahead and get that ordered. Now, then we want to open up the paper and see what's inside. Okay, this is a pretty decent box. Okay, so it says this month's theme is good as new. My resolutions for the new year are pretty standard. Declutter, try cooking new things, and I always like to throw something beauty related onto the list. All right, and that is from Elizabeth Siegel. She's the Deputy Beauty Director. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this box and see exactly what it is they have to offer. Oh, this is off to a good start. Now, the first item that I have is by Ciate London. Now, this one is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I'm really, really excited about this, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So it says this one is a 15-gram size. It is in the translucent shade. It has an 18-month shelf life, and it is a talc-free product. All right, so this is what the outside packaging looks like. Now, the reason I'm so excited is because that is a powder that I use. I don't know if you can see. Look at this. It is just about empty. So you know how much I use it. Love, love, love this product. It's been amazing for me. I definitely use it under the eyes, so it's not drying, you know, like that. So I am excited to get this one. And of course, you see what it is that the packaging looks like. So didn't open it only because I have this one open already. So that one is item number 1, and full-size product, y'all. It says keeps makeup in place without dulling its finish. You'll love it because it's finely milled, and it has a soft, smooth finish and a subtle blurring effect. It's lightweight, blends easily, and helps keep makeup in place without settling into fine lines or caking. Now, the retail price for this one is $22. There is a 20% off code, and it's good until February the 16th if you want to go onto the Ciate London website to order. All right, so that is item number 1. Item number 2 and 3, but we'll do one at a time. Well, they're both by Monday Hair Care. And this is what this one looks like. Just know the next one is coming up just like it. This one is the shampoo, and it is a 50 milliliter size, and that's this one right here. And it says you can, of course, purchase it on Amazon.com. It says winter is not really kind to hair, which can get you drier, duller, and staticky as the cold air sets in. This shampoo is an excellent antidote, serving hair with a moisturizing mix of shea butter and coconut oil. All right, make sure you remember, if you have an allergy to coconut, this is not the product for you. All right, now with those, with the mix of shea butter and coconut oil, it says it's for healthier looking strands all season long. Now, the regular manufacturer suggested retail price, not for the sample size, but for the full size, which would be 354 milliliters, would be $7.99. That's for the shampoo. Now, as far as the conditioner goes, same thing. This one is a sample size as well, and it says double down on hydration with your new shampoo's matching conditioner. The creamy formula treats hair to the same moisturizing ingredients as the shampoo, so you get more shine and less frizz this winter. This one is also a 50 milliliter size, but the full size product would also be 354 milliliters and at the price of $7.99. Let's see if this does have an expiration date on it or shelf life. Okay, so this one expires. Let me tell you something. This is something we're going to have to use rather quickly, but the expiration date on them are April of 2025. You know, I think I need to reach out to them because this one has expired. Okay, Allure, we're gonna have to have a conversation about this one. So I will be giving them a call, and I will be taking a picture of it and letting them know that the expiration date has come and gone on the top one, which is the shampoo. Not happy about that at all. At all. That one was December the 12th. So I'll be reaching out to them about that. Nonetheless, let's just keep moving. The next item that we have, I am so impressed. I really am. And it's a shame because I am immediately looking for the shelf life before I even show you what the product is. But this is something that I have wanted to try. All right. On this weight loss journey that I have, I noticed that my skin is becoming very loose the more weight that I lose. So I wanted to try the Beauties products, but for some reason I just said, give me a little bit of time and I will go ahead and try it out. Well, guess what? It's right here. And this one says, skin gets its own beauty sleep with this body treatment. Maylee's Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Whip. Skin below the neck drinks up this whipped body cream, which is a rich and hydrating but never heavy. It's packed with nourishing, hydrating coconut and passion fruit oils and shea butter to make the skin feel softer and smoother while you sleep. Okay, you see that? Then it says, the incredible scent, a clean fragrance with hints of calming lavender, is part of why this whipped lotion feels so luxurious to apply, making it a treat for your skin. Now, this one is a 100 milliliter size, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $39. Another full-size product. Guess what? We've already paid for this box a couple times over. Even though I'm not happy about the other, this definitely is a wonderful treat to have. So it says it has an 18-month shelf life, and don't even have to worry about the fact it's sealed, has not been opened as of yet. So tamper resistant and tamper proof packaging. So I am excited to try this, and then that way I'll know if I like the way Maylee's products makes my skin feel, and I'll know if I want to try something else. Now, when you go on their website, you do see where they have lots and lots of 5-star reviews. So if you want to check it out, that's wonderful. Now, this one does not give us a coupon code. But I guess they're gifting us $39.99 right off the bat. So Nonetheless, let's keep moving. The next item that we have is a fragrance, and it is Juliet Has a Gun. And it says, this fragrance pulls off a balancing act between sweet and mysterious with a warm cherry note spiced with pink pepper. The overall effect is wintry and sexy, perfect for warming up snowy nights. Okay. Now, it says this size that we received is a sample size. Let me show you. It's this one right here. Okay, and with it being a sample size, we don't necessarily have a price on this one. I can find one for you though, that's for sure. But if you were to get the full size product, which is the 100 milliliter size, it's $150. There is a coupon code to get 15% off if you order it through their website using the Allure Beauty Box code. All right, now I don't even have to spray this. I already know what it smells like, which is wonderful. But I will tell you, I don't know if you can really see the perfume collection that I kind of have. However, my daughter-in-law has already come through and claimed the last one. So, like I said, this is not the first one that I have received. Now, when I look at the packaging, it does tell me that this one has a 36-month shelf life. Okay, but we all know it's not going to be around very long because it's not a very large product. So of course it won't take you very long to use it. Nonetheless, we have this one, and this one is item number 5. So we have one more that's in the box, and that one is by Ahava. Nice. And this is what the outside packaging looks like, and this is the Ahava Purifying Mud Mask. It says cozying up inside on a cold night is made better by a hydrating face mask. Okay, we're here for that. And Ahava is just about perfect. This mud mask cleanses and gently clears out pores with no harsh exfoliating, while also moisturizing for skin that's softer and more radiant. It has ingredients like Dead Sea mud, koala clay, jojoba oil, and panthenol make for a skin-loving blend. Now, this one, it says, is a 100 milliliter size or a 3.4 fluid ounce. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the inside packaging, which looks like this. And I will have you know this is completely full because holding it up to the light, it's to right here. Okay, now it says the expiration date on this one is March 2027. Now, if you were to purchase this one, and this one is a full-size product, the price is $39. If you decide you want to purchase it and you want to go online to ahava.com, you can get 30% off with the coupon that is in this month's Allure Beauty Box. Okay, so what are our thoughts? Okay, look, y'all know how I am on this channel when it comes down to expiration dates. Why? Because I have such sensitive skin, and we all know that certain things can happen to your skin when you use products that have expired. Well, I'm not here for that, but I will be reaching out to Allure to let them know the products that I received are expired. Okay, so nonetheless, with that to the side, I actually like the products that I received. Now, I have products that I wanted to try, and I didn't have to pay full price for these. They came in my subscription box, which is definitely less than the price of that, and my translucent powder, because mine is just about gone. So very happy to have this one and to try the mud mask. Here for that. I do have other Ahava items. Their lotions, moisturizers are incredible. So I'm excited to try this. And of course, the Juliet Has a Gun. Now, I don't even know if I'm going to get to keep it. As soon as my daughter-in-law shows up, she may say, Mom, So we will see what happens with that. Now, we've already had this discussion, so we're just going to drop that for now. I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our very first Allure Beauty Box of 2025. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the full-size items that were included. Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about this situation as well as the other items that we did receive. Do these items make up for this? Well, even if they did, we're still going to hold these companies accountable, okay? Because we're paying for a service and we want to be able to try the items that we receive. And if they are expired, we cannot do that. Now, also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. It's easy on the pocket and it puts you in this community of seasoned beauties from every season. So make sure you do that. Then how about you share this video? Share it with someone else. Give them the opportunity to go ahead and know more about the Allure Beauty Box. And if they decide they wanted to try it, they'll thank you later. Now, let me remind you of this. Now, I did tell you that there is a $10 off coupon in the description box down below. If no other reason than the fact that you may have wanted to try Maylee's products, you have a $10 off code. That means this is $15. Everything else would be a bonus. How about that? There you go. So, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Be on the lookout for our upcoming giveaway. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone who has subscribed. We are well over 10,000. I'm looking to go even higher. So, until next time.